Hi students, let us continue our lesson inside our earth. Last time we have discussed about igneous rocks. Okay, so today's topic is next type of rock is called sedimentary rocks. So sedimentary rocks is taken from the word from the language Latin sedimentum. Meaning of this settled down. Okay. What is the meaning of sediments? There are three types of rocks we know: igneous, sedimentary and metamorphic. Their feature is roll down, crack and hit each other and are broken down into small fragments called sediments. So these type of rocks each other roll down, crack and hit each other, then broke down into small fragments, that is become sediments. These sediments are transported and deposited somewhere, it transfer and deposit because of wind and water, etc. Then these loose sediments are compressed and hardened to form layers of rocks. Each other one by one sit and harden. Then these type of rocks became sedimentary rocks. Okay, because of wind, water, there is a movement, and plants, animals and other microorganisms also living in this type of sedimentary rocks, means fossils type. Example: sandstone, limestone, shale, etc. And I will explain through a diagram. Observe, there are three types of rocks. Okay, igneous, metamorphic, sedimentary. Then it's become weathering. Weathering means because of hitting each other, moving. Okay, then it's become sediments. Okay, that sediments move, transportation because of the wind and water, there is a transportation. Then it's a deposit in one place, somewhere it's a deposit. Okay, because of the movement it deposit. Then what happened there? There is each one by one another one comes. Okay, and it's become sedimentary rocks. You can observe the picture. Next after 1 minute I will show the picture also for you to understand better. Okay, so what is that? How the sedimentary rocks form. Okay, see the picture now. So this is called sedimentary rock. See there, observe the lines you observe, one another on. Okay, there are so many layers, layered or stratified structures. They all form one place. Okay, because of wind and water they start to move and they started to deposit one place. Got it? Here all types of rocks are there, sedimentary, igneous. Okay, all are there, but there is a movement inside. Because of that movement they deposit in one place and they form together what, like small pieces. It's become small pieces. That pieces one by what, one another on another one, like that falls each other and became some layers. Okay, it looks like a huge rock, but that is become sedimentary rock. Next type of rock is metamorphic rocks. What is that? Metamorphic rocks. It's a Greek word. Metapos. Metamorphos is a Greek word, meaning is change of form. Igneous and sedimentary rocks can change into metamorphic rocks under great heat and pressure. So which form? Igneous and sedimentary, two types of rocks are there, no? That is because of the great heat and pressure between igneous and sedimentary form metamorphic rocks. Clear? When metamorphosis occurs, means when it is become metamorphous or metamorphic rocks comes in contact with molten magma. We remember when this volcano happens, there is molten magma comes. When rocks comes to contact with that molten magma, that is become metamorphosis. Rocks are forced down to lower levels by tectonic processes. Means some chemical action also inside that. Okay, inside means interior of the earth. Okay, inside, deep inside of the earth, tectonic processes are there. Means pressure, heat and pressure. It creates what changes in the rocks. Underlying rocks are subjected to great pressure by overlying rocks. Means underlying means which are the last one, very what beneath or very downside, which is the rock is there and get pressure, that is become what metamorphic rocks. For example, marble, gneiss. Okay, these two are the example for metamorphic rocks. Because of heat and pressure, this create. So let us go with one more time with the diagram. Igneous and sedimentary rocks, because of the high heat and pressure, it become metamorphic rocks. Okay, one type of metamorphic rocks is igneous rock. Because of igneous rocks only metamorphic rocks create, that is gneiss called. Okay, sedimentary rock is there. There one more rocks create, that is called marble. Example is marble, that is called metamorphic rock. Two also metamorphic rocks, but there are some category, gneiss and marble. Granite made by igneous rock, limestone made by sedimentary rock. Next time we discuss about minerals. Thank you so much.